Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. My name is MsAnne Irungu. How you been? Umekuaje? I hope you've been having a great day. I hope you're well. I hope you're good. So today I'm doing something very interesting. Something to do with a car. I don't have a car, not yet anyways, but na nishaienda driving school. By the way, I went for my driving lessons back in 2018. You remember that time that the government wanted to introduce the new licenses? Yeah, around that time. I think it was around 2017, end of 2017, I think. Yeah, December. No, 2018. Yeah, 2018, definitely in January. So I attended my classes very well, very diligently. But I know this happens to most of us because I never attended hizo classes za kuchange tire, hizo za hiyo class sijui ilikuwa inaitwa nini by the way. But it used to happen on Saturdays, and I never attended any of those classes. So I don't know how to change a tire, guys. I have no idea because I just wasn't interested. And I thought at that time I just thought that si necessary cause sina gari yet. But sahi I definitely need to take all the lessons that I can get as early as possible. So today I'm going to be doing that. And I know by the way I'm not the only one who doesn't attend those classes, because watu wenye tulienda nao wenye tulikuwa tunasoma nao at that time, like I think like only 2 of them were going on Saturdays. The rest of us tulikuwa tu tunafika Monday, tuko like ulienda kila mtu ako tu like hapana, sikuenda. So we didn't go for that. I think ilikuwa something mechanics or something sijui, sikumbuki vizuri ilikuwa inaitwaje. Alafu kitu ingine government ilitucheza actually. Walituambia okay, no, the government I'm talking about nini hiyo particular school that I was attending for my driving. They played us because they had promised us that since we were going to be the last bunch to do an exam before the new policy ilikuwa introduced, that we will get the new licenses. Now imagine they ended up giving us the old licenses. So mpaka sahi I have to renew my license do I get the new one. But besides that, it's how it has happened to a lot of us. So I think it's about time I learned how to change a tire. So today I'm going to be doing that, and I thought it's nice for me to show you guys. So let's see how this experience goes. Working on today. Ni mguu, as you can see, iko na flat tire. Yeah, ma experts wa magari hivyo ndio I think mnasemanga. So over here tuko na jack. This is one of the equipment tutakuwa tunatumia leo. And then hapa kuna more equipment, more spanners, and hii bado sijajua nini inaitwa nini. Oh, hizi ni za kuvuta gari. I'm being told by my friend who has the car, by the way. His gari si yangu. Alafu this is the spare tire we're going to be using today. Yeah, cha tuanze kazi sasa, tuchape kazi. All set. Na hii ndio okay, so the first step is to loosen hii mguu. Na tutafanya hivyo kwanza tukifunua aka kifuniko. Kanaitwa nini by the way? Imagine that this is out of our way. Tuta loosen easy bolt. Ni bolt kwa gari pia ni bolt. Hawa ni nuts. Something of the sort. Studs. Ai, bana sio hii. Ni. So, I'm going to use this. Mungu baba. This is much harder than I thought. Mbona sifili kifanya kitu? It's actually much harder than I thought, so I'm getting some help over here. Okay, so this part, I'm supposed to guza hapa. Ndasikia mahali pame? Yeah. Kabo.
Fungua mguu.
Guys, nimefanya aje? Oh my god. So hard. Ay, nafunga ama nafungua? Ni hivi. Jesus Christ. Ai, hey. Siwezi hapa. Oh my god, this is the hardest thing I've ever done in my whole life. My whole life. This science does not make any sense. Sijui kama ni science ama ni physics. But mbona naonanga watu wakifanya hivi haraka haraka? Kwani wanakuwa wamefanya nini surely? Yeah, this is not how it's done, but hey, okay, I give up. You can clearly tell the difference, clearly. Haona tu venye yeye anaifanya easily. But I think ni venye ako na experience. You got to give me some marks at least. It's my first time doing this. I'm trying. Sindio? See, I'm trying. Ayo, huko umeziluza.
Screw unafunguaga hivi anti-clockwise.
Oh, hivyo.
Unaenda shule gani?
Nitajulia wapi sasa?
It was taught in school.
No. I missed that class. Oh. Nimeshangaa kakolozi na kasongi. Zingine tu ni general knowledge na inanilemea. Oh my god. It's not the time to judge, guys. It's really not. So, and finally, I think I made it. I made nimetoa hiyo mguu with some help lakini. Na sasa to the real business. Ni kuweka hii. Inafaa kuweka hii, sio? Yeah. Sasa let's try and put this back on. So what? I'm telling you, by the time I'm doing this 2-3 times, mtakuwa pro, mtakuwa mnanitia tu kazi. Na change ya miguu. No lies, guys, no lies. This one, I'm doing a great job. Cindy, the one who's teaching me how to do this is like, Wana nishajiumiza sasa. Na hata sina makucha. I think sasa ni time ya kutighten. So, let's tighten this. Let's do hizo zitoke kwa nje. Ngoja nifungue. So fungue ni hivi.
Clockwise.
Kufunga ni clockwise. Kufungua ni anti-clockwise. According to my teacher for today. Enough. So now it's time for this to calm down. Ndio tujue kweli wa mambo. Clockwise, guys.
Unapandisha.
Napandisha? So ni anti-clockwise. Oh. And for this it's anti-clockwise. Kushukisha hii jack. This is the hardest job I've done this week. But who's complaining?
You.
I'm not complaining. I'm open to learning new things. Oh my God. Na venye mnafanyanga tu hivi haraka haraka, mtu anadhani anaonanga kama ni kitu rahisi.
Now you know.
Yeah. I know. Wewe unacheka wewe? Badala kuja hapo usaidie. Yeah. And it's out. Hey. I did it. My first tire change in life. So I'm going to return this back.
So,
I think you got it. Mhm. Now that you have stored that, I'm going to chukua tire. Nachukua taya yetu pia tuiweke hapa. Tangoja kuenda kufixiwa vizuri huko kwa. And there you have it, guys. MsAnne Irungu just graduated from just being an ordinary engineer to a mechanic. So anytime you have your issues na tire, mnaniita. Mkiwa na flat tire, okay? Don't be shy, call me. So that's it, guys, for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed watching me embarrass myself all over. But at least I've learned something, and I hope you have too, if you have never done this. For the ladies, I know. And I know some guys pia amjai jua kuchange tire, and it's not your fault because most of us hatujakuwa kwa mafamilia zenye kuna magari like some other privileged people have had. So at least walikuanga na hiyo advantage ya ku have tire changes wakiwa watoi nini vitu kama hizo, but now we have to do it by ourselves, so we teach ourselves, so tunajifunza. So I hope you are also going to try out something new this week, and if not this week, this year. And for myself, I'm also going to be doing a lot more practice. And the next time you see me, guys, I'm ndakuwa naweza kuchange tire in less than 10 minutes. Sitio? Yeah, that will be nice. Or less than 5 minutes, because I think this has taken us, I think kitu 15 minutes roughly. Yeah. But definitely ni juu nilikuwa nasumbua because sikuwa najua anything. But next time when you see me, hey, ndakuwa pro. So anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. I hope you subscribe, share, and comment. Yeah. Till next time, remember to work hard, to try new things this year, and to be just vigorous in everything that you do. So stay blessed and keep winning. Bye.